Hey riders, if you're not watching this in the next 10 seconds, you're gonna miss the bike that's about to make every other cruiser look like a toy. Drop everything, this is huge. What's up everyone, Wheelwise Joe here, and today we're talking about the brand new 2026 Harley-Davidson Classic that just broke cover and is already sending the internet into meltdown. Harley didn't just refresh the heritage line, they basically rebuilt the soul of motorcycling from the ground up while keeping every single thing we love intact. First look at this thing, pure rolling art. That teardrop tank, the massive chrome-rimmed headlight, the whitewall tires, the fishtail exhausts. It's like someone took a 1950s panhead, fed it the best steroids money can buy, and told it to go dominate 2026. The retro cream and black paint with hand-painted pinstriping is factory standard. Yes, you heard that right. Real pinstripes, not stickers. Power? They finally did it. The 2026 Classic gets the brand new Milwaukee-Eight 132 cubic inch monster making 130 horsepower and a ridiculous 145 ft-lbs of torque straight from the showroom floor. That's more torque than some cars I've owned. It's still air oil cooled with those iconic cooling fins because Harley knows we don't want some water-cooled spaceship pretending to be a classic. But here's the crazy part. It's loaded with modern tech without ruining the vibe. Hidden radial Brembo brakes, cornering ABS, traction control, ride modes, even a 12-inch touchscreen that completely disappears behind a flip-up analog clock when you turn it off. You can ride like it's 1955 or tap one button and have launch control. Insane. The seat height is dropped half an inch to 26.5 inches, so pretty much everyone can flat-foot this beast now. Suspension is fully adjustable Showa up front and a hidden monoshock in the rear that gives 5 inches of plush travel. No more busted spines on long rides. Price starts at $29,999 for the base model, which is honestly shocking because this thing is packed. Chrome everything, leather saddlebags, floorboards, windshield, all standard. Look, I've been riding Harleys for 23 years and I'm telling you right now, this is the one. The 2026 Classic isn't just a motorcycle, it's the middle finger to everyone who said Harley couldn't evolve without losing its soul. They just proved them all wrong. If you want to see this beauty in person, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm getting one the second they land and we're doing a full 1,000-mile review. Drop in the comments, are you trading in your old bike for this or keeping the classic? Let's talk. Wheelwise Joe out. Ride safe, ride loud, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.